Thinking of buying a smart TV in 2025? Don't do it until you watch this video, because the last thing you want is to spend hundreds of dollars on features you don't need, or worse, get stuck with outdated tech. Stick around. I'll show you exactly how to buy a smart TV without wasting a single cent. This is your ultimate smart TV buying guide for 2025. Let's jump right in. First things first, decide on your budget. Are you looking for a budget smart TV under $500, or are you aiming for a premium OLED in the $1,000 plus range? Your price range will determine the screen size, panel type, and features you can get. Pro tip? You can get an awesome 4K smart TV for streaming under $700 that'll last you for years. Next up, what size smart TV should you buy? Bigger isn't always better. Measure your viewing distance before heading to the store. For a typical living room, a 55 to 65 inch 4K smart TV is perfect. But for a bedroom or small apartment, even a 43 inch can look amazing. Make sure it fits your space, not just your wish list. Here's where most buyers get confused: OLED versus QLED versus LED. OLED has deep blacks and the best picture quality, great for movies and gaming. QLED is brighter, better for well-lit rooms. Standard LED is the most budget-friendly, but with fewer bells and whistles. Ask yourself, do you need all that cinematic quality, or are you just watching Netflix and YouTube? In 2025, every best smart TV comes with dozens of features, but here's what actually matters. HDMI 2.1 ports, must have if you plan to plug in a PS5 or Xbox Series X. Smart TV OS, Google TV, Roku, Tizen. Make sure it's fast and user-friendly. Voice control and built-in streaming apps, convenient but don't overpay for them. Avoid 8K unless you're sitting 3 feet from the screen. 4K is still king in 2025. Some of the best smart TVs for the money right now: TCL and Hisense, great budget picks. LG and Sony, best for OLED and gaming. Samsung, strong choice for QLED and smart features. Don't buy just for the brand. Look at actual specs and user reviews. So, to recap, know your budget, pick the right size, understand display types, and focus only on the features you actually need. That's how you buy a smart TV in 2025 without wasting money. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more honest buying guides every week. Check out our video on best streaming devices available right now. You won't believe what's still worth buying.